In this video, I'll show you how you can get 100 plus data science and AI courses for absolutely free of cost through 365 data science learning platform. So here you have dedicated courses for learning about data science and AI. You see here there are more than 100 courses across different topics like data analysis, machine and deep learning, programming, business skills, math and statistics, data engineering. So there are a lot of courses across a lot of different topics and a lot of different technologies, and there are career tracks as well. Generally, to get access to this complete course library, it will cost you like $36 per month. But right now you don't have to pay this much amount. You can get it for absolutely free of cost. I have given you a link in description. Click on it and come to this page where you can sign up and get 15 days free access to entire course library in 365 data science. This is a limited time offer that is running between November 6, 2025 to November 21st, 2025. So try to make use of it as soon as possible. So just click on the link in description, come to this page, give your name here, email address and set a password for your account and agree to their terms and conditions and click on get unlimited access. And once you're logged into your account, this is how the platform will look like. So here, first thing that you can do here is just click on learning path and you can customize your learning path here, absolutely like what you want to learn. Based on that, you can customize it. And if you just go to courses, you will see the entire course library. So you have access to all the 100 plus courses. So you can learn anything that you want related to data science and AI here. And the best thing about this platform is the career tracks. So if you are confused about how you should proceed with any particular role, there is a learning path. So if you want to become an AI engineer, you can just click on get started and there will be 8 courses, complete it, get your certificate and gain all the skills that you need to become an AI engineer. So that's how career tracks can help you. So similarly, they have a career track for data scientist, data analyst, Power BI developer, Tableau developer, and there are career tracks for a lot more roles here. So you can just make use of it. And there are additional resources like flashcards, course notes, infographics, coding templates and all. So do make use of it. And you are going to get practical learning here. So there will be projects and exams for every course that you do here in this platform. And there are some job prep resources as well, like career quiz, career guides, resume builder, interview simulator. So do make use of that as well. And there is a community, so you can ask questions over there and get all your doubts cleared, and there will be newsfeed and all. So just make use of this. I hope you will definitely find all the courses provided here very useful to learn about data science and AI in general. I have given you all the links in description. Do check it out.